So we have a group within the PBT, Post-Betrayal Transformation Institute, and this is our Transform group. These are people who are working with me privately, along with our coaches and everything else, but they want to move through completely, physically, mentally, emotionally, psychologically, spiritually, their betrayal in 6 months. The 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, where most people get stuck in stage 3 for years, decades, if not life. These people are like, nope, not having it, moving through the whole thing in 6 months. So we had a call the other day, and it was really interesting because there was this one theme that was showing up, and I know it's going to help you. And it's, at what point do you catch it? And here's what I mean. When I used to just work with people in health, let's take weight loss, for example. What's the difference between someone who has a lot of weight to lose and someone who just has a few pounds to lose? I mean, a lot, but one of the themes was someone who has a few pounds to lose, maybe they gain a couple pounds on vacation, come back, rein it in. Where the other person who has a lot of weight to lose, they don't rein it in as quickly. Well, it's the same thing when it comes to healing from betrayal, where where a trigger could have taken them down and kept them down for a long time. At what point do they catch it? As they're healing, it's a lot less. When they would feel really bad or sad or upset about their experience, and that would, they'd be kind of marinating in that. At what point do they catch it? A lot less. When they may have taken something personally as if the betrayal had anything to do with them, which it doesn't, and recover from that way of thinking and realizing it has nothing to do with them, and they have to, everything they need to move forward physically, mentally, and emotionally. At what point do they catch it? A lot less. So the whole idea is, as you are moving through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, the time gets shorter. That the old ideas and triggers and things would keep you down. And what was so amazing was, by the time we were done with the call, there were so many people on that call who were so proud of themselves, because when they took the time to realize, wait a second, that same experience that really knocked me out just a few weeks ago, at what point did they catch it and rein it in? A lot less. So when you're taking a look at how you're moving through your experience, if nothing changes, nothing changes. You want to see the growth in the amount of time it takes to recover, to change, to think a different way, whatever it is. Of course, we're here to support you. And, like I said, the Transform group, they're doing things at a whole other level. But I mean, seriously, the worst of it happened already. You don't want to stay with this. You want to heal. You want to move through it. You want to use it as the launch pad to your transformation. There is nothing they're doing that you can't do. You just have to move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. I have videos about that that you can find as well. But just move through the stages. It is proven. It is predictable. I did the research on it. The study is out. You do not have to stay stuck at all. This could be the catalyst for a version of you that will absolutely blow your mind. Follow for more.